Many of us crack our necks to relieve tension. But did you know that, in rare cases, it could be deadly? When you twist your neck, you release built-up gas between joints, causing that popping sound. But if you twist too hard or at the wrong angle, you could accidentally tear an artery. One of the main risks is a vertebral artery dissection. If this artery gets torn, it could block blood flow to the brain, causing a stroke. Symptoms of an artery tear might include sudden dizziness, blurred vision, or severe headaches, so don't ignore these signs. Cracking your neck might feel good, but be careful, it's not as harmless as it seems. Stay safe. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Snappy Knowledge.